Hello friends and welcome back to our channel once again. This is Alice and I'm back with yet another informative news video for all of you. So अभी हम एक एक करके सारे colleges के admission criteria को cover कर रहे हैं. So recently we've covered the admission criteria for IIM Lucknow, IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Calcutta. So in case अगर आपने वो video नहीं देखा है तो please go to our channel CATKing and please check the videos out because that has all the information covered regarding the admission criteria of those colleges. Today, we are going to do the admission criteria for IIM Ranchi, which recently released their admission criteria eligibility factors. So without wasting any further time, let's dive right into the video. So quick overview. Indian Institute of Management Ranchi will shortlist candidates for IIM Ranchi admission on the basis of CAP 2021. सो पहले आईएम्स के जितने भी कॉलेजेस हुआ करते थे उनका सबका एडमिशन प्रोसेस कैप के थ्रू हुआ करता था, बट देन अ लॉट ऑफ कॉलेजेस सेपरेटेड आउट थ्रू कैप and they have their individual criteria now, but IIM Ranchi still falls under the CAP admission criteria and that was closed on January 23rd. CAP 2021 की जो पर्सनल इंटरव्यू call stay for phase 1 that is going to start from Feb 15 to Feb 20. The deadline to apply online and submit the IIM application form 2021 for PGP HRM has been extended from 5th January to 28th February 2021. तो अगर कोई भी कैंडिडेट्स है जिनको पीजीपी एचआरएम के लिए अप्लाई करना है and they haven't applied yet, so the deadline has been extended, so you can go on their official website and do it. In order to take admission in IIM Ranchi, all candidates who have cleared CAT 2020 must check the IIM Ranchi admission criteria 2021 in online mode from the admission official website. IIM Ranchi offers PGP and PGP HRM to candidates. So for admissions in IIM Ranchi, IIM Raipur will coordinate the CAP 2021 rounds, and details pertaining to the shortlist for WAT and PI rounds are mentioned in the IIM Ranchi 2021 admission criteria. So that will be including two stages, that is shortlisting candidates and conducting the WAT and PI rounds. So important dates अगर देखी जाए तो CAT की नोटिफिकेशन 2 अगस्त की थी एंड कैट के फॉर्म्स अवेलेबल थे फ्रॉम 5th of August. फिर कैट कंडक्ट हुआ नवंबर 29th को एंड द रिजल्ट्स वर आउट ऑन जनवरी 2nd 2021. IIM रांची का जो एडमिशन फॉर्म है फॉर पीजीपी एचआरएम दैट स्टार्टेड being available from 8th of December and the deadline to submit the IIM form has been extended to 28th of February. तो जो इसकी फाइनल एडमिशन लिस्ट है दैट विल बी रिलीज्ड इन मार्च 2021. कैप के इंपॉर्टेंस डेट्स अगर देखें तो कैप का लास्ट डेट था जो इट जस्ट पास्ट 23rd जनवरी को उसका लास्ट डेट था and the people who have been selected for personal interview have been intimated on 27th of January 2021. तो जो पर्सनल इंटरव्यू है वो 3 फेजेस में होगा, फेज 1, फेज 2 एंड फेज 3. सो जो फेज 1 है that is from February 15th to February 20th. Then we have phase 2 from Feb 22nd to Feb 27th. Then we have the third phase of interview, which is from March 8th to 13th of March. IIM Ranchi की अगर बात की जाए regarding the selection process, so IIM Ranchi falls under the baby IIMs and is currently offering admissions to 2 programs, namely PGP and PGP HRM. So the batch size है for PGP is likely to be 120 and PGP HRM की जो batch size है that is expected to be around 50. So admission criteria are given below and it is divided into 2 to 3 stages. तो जो CAT का 2020 एग्जाम था that has already been conducted. The admission process or stages of IIM Ranchi has already begun. So जो candidates shortlisted for PI है they have been notified on 27th of January and no further communication will be sent from the candidates regarding non-selection. So we have separate admission criteria for PGP and for PGP HRM. So let's go down and check the criteria individually. So पहले अगर PGP की बात की जाए, so there are 3 stages. So first stage है initial shortlisting of candidates for WAT and the PI process. Next, the WAT and PI process and preparation of the merit list. And the third stage is the final admission. So जो first stage की जो shortlisting है for WAT and PI process, that is on the basis of CAT 2020 cutoff. The candidates will be shortlisted by IIM Ranchi initially, and then the candidates whose name will be mentioned in the initial shortlist will be eligible for the WAT and the PI process for admissions to the PGP 2021-23 batch as per the admission criteria of IIM Ranchi. So cap cutoff की अगर बात की जाए, so these are the percentiles की minimum आपने इतना attain करा होना चाहिए, only then will you get a call. So for general category अगर हम देखें तो quantitative aptitude में आपका minimum 70 percentile आना चाहिए. For DILR you should have secured 70 percentile. For VRC you should have attained 70 percentile and आपका total cutoff should be 93 percentile minimum. Similarly, बाकी जितने भी categories है उनके data we've already listed, so you can quickly have a look. Next, stage 2 की अगर बात की जाए, so stage 2 is your WAT and PI process and preparation of the merit list. So the second stage of IIM Ranchi 2021 admission criteria includes the conduction of WAT and PI rounds. So after the completion of WAT and PI rounds, admission offers to the candidates for IIM Ranchi would be made. The merit list would be on the following basis. So उसके three components होंगे. First is your CAT score, which has a 50% weightage. Next is your PI score, which has a 20% weightage. And the third is your profile, which has a 30% weightage, making it up to 100%. So CAT score जो आपका है, IIM Ranchi will use the score of CAT for the purpose of shortlisting the candidates, and 50% weightage is allotted to the CAT score. Personal interview जो है उसका weightage is 20%, and profile जो आपका है जिसकी 30% weightage है, that is divided into 3, which is out of 30 marks. So academic profile is 20, work experience is 5, and gender diversity is 5. So अगर academic criteria की बात की जाए, so academic criteria में आपका SSC, which is your 10th standard, HSC, which is your 12th standard, and graduation के marks को combine करके will be a score out of 20%. So you can see the breakage. So उनका score line is divided into 0 to 5. So अगर आपने तीनों exams में less than 65 score किया है, so you get a 0 score, be it class 10, class 12 or graduation. For 70 to 65 percentage in class 10 and 12, you get a score of 1, and graduation you get a score of 2. If you have a score between 70 to 75, for class 10 and 12, you get a score of 2, and for graduation, you get a point of 4. Next, अगर आपने 75 से 80 के बीच में स्कोर किया है, तो in class 10 and 12, you get a score of 3, and graduation, you get a score of 6. अगर आपने 80 से 85% के बीच में स्कोर किया है, so for 10th and 12th, you get a score of 4, and graduation में 8. Similarly, अगर आपने 85% स्कोर किया है, 85% and above, then 10th and 12th के लिए you get a score of 5 each, and graduation you get a score of 10. So ये था academic criteria की breakage. Next, let's look at work experience. So work experience को उन्होंने again एक scale of 0 to 5 में divide किया है, and there are different brackets for different months of work ex. So अगर आपका work ex is less than 6 months, you get a marks of maximum mark which is 2. अगर आपने 7 to 12 months का work ex है, you get a maximum marks is 1. अगर 13 to 18 है, you get 2. 19 to 24 months of work ex, you get 3 marks. And for 24 to 30 months, you get 5 marks. Next, अगर आपने 31 to 36 months का work ex है, you get 4. For 37 to 42 months of work ex, you get 3. 43 to 48 months of work ex, you get 2. And जिनकी भी work ex is above 4 years or 48 months, they get a score of 1. नेक्स्ट, जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी की अगर बात की जाए, सो अंडर दिस कैटेगरी द फीमेल एंड ट्रांसजेंडर कैंडिडेट्स विल बी अवॉर्डेड 5 marks at the time of preparing the merit list. So this is just for the female candidates or the transgender candidates who will be scoring a 5 mark, because I am Raji truly believes in gender diversity. नेक्स्ट, अगर रिजर्वेशन पॉलिसी की बात की जाए फॉर पीजीपी एचआरएम, तो एज पर एडमिशन क्राइटेरिया ऑफ आई एम रांची 2021, द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया रिजर्वेशन पॉलिसी फॉर admission to central education institution will be applied for the purpose of providing admission. Ranchi and Indian Institute Management will have the final say in categorizing the educational program that deserves an academic diversity score. IIM Ranchi reserves the right to change, modify, add, or delete any shortlist and selection criteria in admission criteria for the PGP program if deemed necessary at any time. The details in the document apply only to the shortlist selection admission process for IIM Ranchi's PGP program for 2021-2023. तो अगर reservation की बात की जाए, so 15% seats are reserved for the scheduled caste candidates, 7.5% seats will be reserved for the scheduled tribe candidates, 27% of the seats will be reserved for other backward classes belonging to the non-creamy layer, that is NC-OBC, and 5% of the seats will be reserved for persons with benchmark disabilities, that is PWD. तो अगर रफली हम देखें, सो 20, 47, 55%, close to 55% of the seats are reserved under the different categories for IIM Ranchi. Next, how to apply for PGP HRM. So candidates belonging to general, NC, OBC or EWS categories who are interested and eligible as per the IIM Ranchi 2021 admission criteria will have to pay the application fees of 2,000 to apply for the PGP HRM कोर्स. एंड जो कैंडिडेट्स SC या PWD कैटेगरीज को बिलोंग करते हैं, दे हैव टू पे एप्लीकेशन फी ऑफ 1,000. ऑफर एक्सेप्टेंस एंड फी विड्रॉल की बात की जाए, सो आई एम रांची के जो ऑफर्स है, इनविटेशन लेटर्स सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट्स को सेंड किए जाएंगे. एंड जो कैंडिडेट्स ऑफर को एक्सेप्ट करेंगे उनको 1 लाख की पेमेंट मेक करनी पड़ेगी एज ऑफर एक्सेप्टेंस फीस. And for candidates who register themselves, their offer acceptance amount will be adjusted against the term fees of IIM Ranchi, and facility of withdrawing the accepted offer within the withdrawal specified will also be provided, with the condition of deducting only 1,000 rupees as processing charges. तो अगर फी स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें, सो दे हैव अ टर्म स्ट्रक्चर, टर्म 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो टोटल जो फी स्ट्रक्चर है, दैट आपके एडमिशन फीस, ट्यूशन, कोर्स मटेरियल, कंप्यूटर चार्जेस, लाइब्रेरी, रूम रेंट, कॉशन डिपॉजिट, एलुमनाई फीस एंड स्टूडेंट एक्टिविटीज, सबको मिला जुला के फॉर 6 टर्म्स योर फी comes up to 15,30,000 for IIM Ranchi. So we have covered quite in detail about the entire process of IIM Ranchi. हम उनके दो specializations that they offer. One is the PGP course that they offer, and one is PGP HRM that they offer. And we've already mentioned the batch size is 120 and 50, which may or may not change as per IIM Ranchi takes a call on that. Also we've covered आपको what PI का round का calls किस basis पे आएगा, what is your weightage of different rounds, final selection क्या होगा. We've also covered about the fee structure for IIM Ranchi. So please let us know in the comment section how did you like this video. Don't forget to like and share our video. Also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon so that हम जब भी ऐसी interesting news videos लेके आए, you don't miss out on anything. So till we meet again, I hope you stay well and just take care of yourselves, keep doing well, and you will surely get prosperity. Thank you so much.